Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Yo guys, into eyenziwa amaphara eBloem. I will say amaphara because these people are posing as eMarch and March, but they were just criminals. They were not part of eMarch because leader or organizer eMarch eBloem was interviewed by uNewsroom this morning explaining ukuthi those were criminals, were not part of eMarch because you remember ukuthi yesterday it was supposed to be a shutdown in Bloemfontein. But because of these criminals, because of this criminality that was caused by these people looting shops, breaking burglar stores and all this, then the shutdown was disturbed. eMarch was disturbed completely because of them. They said more than 140 of them were arrested by police yesterday. So nowadays we have to be careful. If we are planning a march, we have to be careful because these criminals, they are taking advantage. You know, people like Abo CIC, you can never trust them. So that is why if you are planning a march, you have to be very careful nowadays. And as abophakela umthakathi benza emamatchini ukuthi those who are trying to steal, to loot or fight illegal foreigners, they are being punished there and there in front of the cameras. Even though later they turn it to say it was a foreigner that was beaten in the video. But Nje, we have to be very careful. So let's watch them, guys.
আমার স্বপ্ন আমার আশা আমার স্বপ্ন they are taking all, they are looting all. আমার স্বপ্ন আমার আশা সব শেষ করে দিয়েছে এক মিনিটে. they are taking all, everything. You see, is dust. They are taking all, everything. আমার স্বপ্ন আমার আশা আমার স্বপ্ন আমার আশা সব শেষ সব শেষ. Rice, I can't take nothing at night. Whole night I can't sleep. I am wake up. They are taking all, everything. Please pray for us, pray for South African.
Only pain, at least.
South African, pray for South African.
Now sengaze khale kangaka as if illegally in the country or maybe lezi zinto uyithengile, we know ukuthi bayayimanufacturela lezi zinto. Manje usekhala as if uluze something. Hayi naye. Kodwa ke vele ama-leaders ethu phela azomkhalela ukuthi he lost a lot of money. I wonder ukuthi uCIC yena uyoba njani ukuba angry uma ibona into enje. As if we don't know ukuthi these are counterfeit and expired goods. Akayeke naye usibangela isidina nje.
Pray for us, pray for South African.
Only pain, at least.
South African, pray for South African. They are taking all, everything. Looting. আমার আশা ভালোবাসা আমার স্বপ্ন সব শেষ. সবার নিকট দোয়া চাই আল্লাহ যাতে এই ক্ষতি কাটিয়ে ওঠার তৌফিক দান করে. সবার নিকট দোয়া চাই.
Na the gypsy days. And that the gypsy days. Gypsy, Bobo, gypsy, Papa now, Papa, gypsy, Papa, Tapola. The man, try, yes. The man, you come out on Fantin. Have a placata. I will know how you marry. I will know you marry. How you marry? Oh, that you would do, that you see, that you might have. How you marry? I will know how you marry. I will so see you. How you marry? I will know, and I don't see another issue. I will know, you marry, you nana, you marry. How you marry? I will know, you marry, you nana.
Batho nke fridge ya Coke ya basia my friend. Look at the poster. Bathathile bawuthatha nethi mina ndingomuntu umuntu uyawunyapha kum andingomuntu.
So guys, as you can see, these videos were posted by the same people who looted those shops. I don't know why, but they did. So these Bangladeshis, because now we face this crisis, we need to pray for South Africa. Do they think about praying for South Africa if South Africans are facing challenges, crisis of unemployment, of no opportunities? Do they think about that? So today, because the problem is beginning now, we all must pray. Why must we all pray for South Africa, not for Bangladesh? So it shows that even after all this, they are not going anywhere. Guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.